All right, so we're outside here with Adam and what I like to call gas grill Stonehenge to learn about which model is worth the money.
I like that line, Julia, but next year I think we should go to real Stonehenge to do our grill segment.
Good call.
So here's the scene. Our favorite inexpensive gas grill from the last testing has been discontinued.
Wah, wah.
So we set a price cap of about $500. We gathered a lineup of 6 models that you can see here. They're all from top brands, and they all have roughly the same equipment, 3 to 5 burners. They all have a thermometer set into the lid, side tables, and all but one of them have a side burner. Now, for direct grilling, for nice hot grilling, you want strong heat spread out evenly across the whole cooking surface. Testers packed the cooking surface with hamburger patties, and they were looking for nice, deep brown, flavorful grill marks. They were looking to see if there were any hot or cold spots. They also did a more vivid test. I'm going to have you step back and take a look at this. They covered the cooking surface with white bread. And that mapped the heat for us. You can see models that didn't do well gave you something like this. Bread that's barely touched by heat, bread that's all the way burnt, and everything in between. Now, part of what's going on here is this guy has really nice, heavy grates. These are cast iron grates.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
It's really heavy.
That's a hefty grate. Why don't you pick up one from that grill and compare it?
Oh, this guy's kind of light by comparison.
Kind of a featherweight, huh?
Yeah.
And why do we love cast iron? Because it absorbs heat and it retains heat. That helped with those grill marks. The second factor at play is the heat distribution system. Enter the heat diffuser bar. This guy is shaped like an upside down V and they fit over the burners. The flame from the burner naturally sends heat straight up. These bars that fit over the burners deflect the heat off to the sides.
Oh, okay.
Spreads it out across the cooking surface. They also protect the burners from anything that's falling off the food so they don't get clogged. And when juices and fat drip off the food, they turn to smoke on these bars, and that contributes to that telltale grilled flavor, which is why this company, in fact, calls them flavorizer bars. So this one did a great job because it actually had extra flavorizer bars between those on top of the burner. From there, testers moved on to an indirect cooking test, low, slow barbecue.
Which is not the best thing to do on a gas grill, necessarily.
Not the best thing, but if a gas grill is your only grill, you'll want to be able to pull it off, and we have recipes for that. Now, what they did, they took a big pork roast, they cut it into 3 sections. You cook that low and slow, 300 degrees for about 4 hours. You're looking for a nice tender texture. You're looking for smoky flavor. You should reach an internal temperature of about 200 degrees. Some of the grills did a great job with that, giving us all that we wanted. Some of the grills cooked that pork for twice as long.
You're kidding.
And it never temped.
Oh, that's not good.
Some of the grills were able to cook the pork to that internal temperature in the right time frame, but it had no smoky flavor whatsoever. So what's happening is the airflow isn't quite right. Take a look there. There are a lot of vents built into the back of that grill.
Well, the whole back is perforated.
And what happens there is that the smoke and the heat go right out the back of the grill without going over the meat. And that's why you don't get any kind of smoky flavor. This guy, on the other hand, just has a single vent in the back.
Just a skinny guy.
That helps it retain more heat. The meat has more contact with the smoke, and it gave us a nice smoky flavor. There are a couple of other factors at play. Those cast iron grates help it retain heat. And the grill box, which is the body of the grill, the bottom and the sides were made of thick cast aluminum. The lid is made of a double layer of steel, and it fit nice and tightly. Again, all of this works for heat retention. Some of these grills were thin, they were flimsy, the lids didn't fit right, the heat went right out.
Gotcha, so they look pretty, but they don't hold the heat in.
Exactly. So this is our new winner. This is the $499 Weber Spirit E310, and it's basically an updated version of our old winner. It's thoughtfully designed, it's heavy duty, it did a great job in all of our tests, and it's our new favorite.
All right, so there you have it. Our winning inexpensive gas grill is the Weber Spirit E310, and it'll cost you about $500.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.